Number 10th position is Hyacinth Macaw. With an impressive length of the 100 centimeter, their population have been declared in the past few years. Today is less than 5,000 Hyacinth Macaw. It's the most amazing birds in the world. Number 9 position is amazing bird wood duck. Wood duck is probably the most stunningly colorful waterfall in the world. The male bird has metallic published green head and a crest. Number 8 position, Bohemian waxwing. The Bohemian waxwing is a medium-sized songbird with a distinctive crested and black mask. The brownish gray and wings have white and yellow ending. The 7th position is blue ray. The blue ray are one of the most intelligent and beautiful birds in the world. They found across the forest of the eastern and central North America. The blue rays have the stunning blue, white and black plumage. They can also imitate the call of the other bird species of the world. Number 6th position is Atlantic puffin. The Atlantic puffin is a small adopted seabird that is found across the coast of northern United States and eastern Canada. Atlantic puffin are also known as sea parrot due to the hair hues.
About to do is feed it to a baby toucan.
Number 5th position, Gilbert Tycoon. Gilbert Tycoon is among the birds with the most amazing bills in the world. They have huge, multicolored beak that will reach up to 20 centimeters in length. It's the most amazing bird in the countdown. Number 5th. Number 4th position is amazing bird peacock. It's actually the name of male bird of peafowl family. There are the 3 types of the peafowl in the world: Indian, Congo and green peafowl. Peacock up to 5 feet in the length, which is make one of the largest flying bird in the world.
Standing on one leg. If you were a flamingo, it wouldn't be a problem.
Number 3rd position, flamingo. Flamingo is probably the most recognizable wading bird in the world. The stunning red-purple color and the plumage itself that make flamingo so the special bird. 3 are the different 6 species of flamingo in the world. They found on every continent except Antarctica.
Food are what turns their feathers colors. Healthy, well-fed birds.
Number 2nd position, the most amazing bird is Scarlet Macaw. Scarlet Macaw is one of the most beautiful and the largest member of macaw family. In the habitat in humid evergreen forest across the Central and South America. They are famous for their colorful plumage. They have bright and red plumage with the blue back, and the upper wings are yellow or edged with green color. Number 1 position is amazing bird in the world, the golden pigeon. The golden pigeon are famous. They are the brilliant colored plumage. They have the beautiful golden yellow, the crest striped with red. The battle of the golden pigeon is yellow and its upper back is green. Thank you for watching this video. And which bird do you like most? Comment please. And subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.